want to have and keep a happy family, learn from the Proverbs 31 family. Sino kayo dito ngayon? Lolo or lola? Young parents? This is the time to begin training your kids to become good husbands or wives. Para maalala kayo ng mga magiging apo nyo at sabihin nilang, ang tino ng mga magulang ko, kasi ang tino ng lola ko. Hindi yung matatanda ang nagiging dahilan para mag-away yung mga asawa, magkaroon ng conflict, magkaroon ng hidwaan. Because this first generation people are wise. Daughter-in-law, son-in-law, pareho rin yun. Father-in-law, mother-in-law, pareho yun. Lahat may pananagutan. Everyone should do his part. Kumusta ang mga pamilya natin? Anong kalagayan? Tahimik ba o magulo? Nagmamahalan ba o nagbabangayan? Ano man ang kalagayan ngayon, useless na magsisihan. Ang dapat gawin, improve the family. And the improvement begins with you, who hears the lesson from Proverbs 31. And to inspire all the other members of your family who also either hears the same message or are not here to hear it, but they will see its effect on your life.